the year. The news is out about the Pontiac. Car of the year is the Pontiac. That is the car with the wide track wheels.
It's a real riding sensation, this new Pontiac, the only car with wide track wheels, which widen the stance, not the car itself. Wide track wheels adhere when you steer. I mean, cling to the thing, so that every curve is a turn for the better. That's just one of the reasons why Motor Trend magazine has named Pontiac Car of the Year. By the wide margin of its wide track wheels, sterling performance, and live looks, Pontiac stacks up as the automotive success of the season. So why not take the wide track that leads to Pontiac?
Wide track Pontiac. Car of the year.